Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to solve the changing base of logarithm equation. We are going to apply the changing base of methods to solve, because there is a property which says if you have logₐb is equals to logb log base cb all over log a c. Now we are going to apply this property of changing base to solve this problem. Okay, then we are going to say here we have log 2 all over x is equals to log 4 2. This is equals to, we're going to say plus log x 2 is equals to 6. Then now we are going to multiply 2 by log base 2 4. We're going to multiply 2 out by log base 2 4 so that to eliminate the fraction. Here we have log x 2 plus log 2x multiply by log base 2 4. This is equals to log base 2 4 multiply by 6. And now we are going to factorize the right hand side. We have log 2x. Outside we have 1 plus log base 2 4. This is equals to log base 2 4 multiply by 6. Now we are going to divide both sides by it. 1 plus log 2 base log base 2 4. Let's divide both sides by 1 plus log base 2 4. This one 1 plus log base 2 4. Then this one cancel this one. We have log 2x is equals to log base 2 4 multiply by 6 all over 1 plus log base 2 4. Then now we are going to apply a property which says if you have this log base 2x, then the 2 will carry this off. We're going to have x is equals to 2 raised power log base 2 4 multiply by 6 all over 1 plus log base 2 4. Then we can find the value of x by pressing the calculator. We'll have x is equals to 16. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our channel.